Hello y'all, happy people, hope you guys doing great. Alright, today, healthy protein, Soya Chunks Biryani. Okay, hope you guys like it. Very simple and easy and very nice. We really like it. So there's simple recipe and simple ingredients. Okay. The first thing what we need to do is we need to soak the soya chunks. So what I'm doing is I've got a cup of soya chunks. I'm gonna add hot water, and then I'm gonna leave it for 10 minutes. Okay, don't soak too much time. So 10 minutes, that should be sufficient. And then after that, what we do is we just squeeze them out, and then take the excess water and keep it aside. They're very nice and very healthy, guys. There you go. I'm gonna add butter. You can also add ghee, or if you want you can use some olive oil, but I would love to have my biryani or pulao with butter. Okay, and then next what I'm gonna do is I'm using whole spices. So please refer to the ingredients, whatever I'm using it. I love using whole spices, but I will use some garam masala a bit later, but I'm gonna use only a bit of it. Okay. Going in chilies and curry leaves. Very colorful. These chilies are not so spicy, guys, so please use according to your spice levels. Ginger and garlic paste. I love it. Next, going in potatoes. Give it a nice mix. So usually most of the times when you see soya biryanis, they basically don't add too many veggies, but I'm using potatoes and carrots. Saute them for a bit. There you go, nicely done. Adding garam masala, just a small quantity. Cover and steam them for a minute or so. That should be fine. There you go. Give it a nice mix. They look very colorful. Going in a bit salt as per the taste. Soya chunks. So the one thing we always need to remember, guys, when we're cooking with soya chunks, we're not supposed to saute them for a quite long time. What happens is if you saute them for a quite long time, they will become harder. So just at the right time. So I'm adding a dollop of curd. This will add some tanginess to the biryani. So as you know that vegetable dum biryani or chicken or mutton dum biryani, they always add yogurt or curd. There you go, looking very nice. So I've just steamed it or cooked it for a couple more minutes, and I'm gonna add my rice in. So as you can notice, I haven't cooked the soyas for very long. You're not supposed to do it. So this is 2 minutes max, that should be good. Give it a nice mix so that all the flavors and the spices get in, and then you can add some water now. Please check the description for the water ratio, guys. Thank you. There you go. Give it a nice mix and cook it for 10 to 12 minutes on a medium heat, and that should be done. There you go, guys. Steaming and boiling. Give it a mix so that the soya chunks and the vegetables are evenly distributed in the rice. Cover it and complete your 12 minutes cooking. It's all done. One final touch. Finely chopped coriander and then some fried onions. Quick 2 minutes. Cover and cook it on a very low temperature, and then ready to serve. I'm just gonna give it a quick test. I'm gonna use my ladle and poke it in the rice and see there's no water. That is perfectly done, guys. So fluffy, so yummy. Hope you guys liked the video. Thank you very much. Please keep like, share and subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and I wish you a happy new year.